Hey guys, what is up? It's World War II reenactor here, and in today's episode, we are unboxing my World War II British tunic. So, let's get it open. I'm using my German dagger, as you've seen in my last video. Get it open. This is my first unboxing video ever, so as you can tell, I'm kind of sweaty and my hands are dirty. I just got back from metal detecting, and it came in the mail when I was gone. And I came back and it was laying on the porch, so let's ooh, nice packaging in here. Alrighty guys, let's see here. Oh, this is heavy. Alright, now we gotta open this up. This is original, by the way. It's from 1944. It was only 34 bucks on eBay, which is a good deal, really. It was in pretty good condition. All right, that's some good packaging there. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh wow, that is heavy. There we go, guys. I'm going to try this on real quick. Okay, guys, here's the jacket. Looks pretty nice. I don't have the correct helmet on right now. My tower is about to die. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, Tyler, for commenting on my video. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.